আমরা এসে গেছি হিলটির ইভেন্টে। আজকে একটা রিকগনিশন সেরিমনি আছে, তো তার জন্য আমরা এসেছি আজকে।
First of all, a warm welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are enjoying Dubai. You still have one more day to go. We made our best efforts to give you a wow experience. As we know, this is a very important event for all of us. It just makes sense that we start the award by saying a big thank you to Shubhangi and the team. This event is the most important event in my calendar, and I simply can't miss this event. I can miss anything else in the whole year, but this is one event I cannot miss. And I say this because of two reasons. One is because of all of you. All of you are our top performers in the company. You are the role models in our company. There are many people, many of your colleagues, you may not be aware, but they look up to you, and it's an opportunity and a chance for me to meet all of you in person and say a big thank you for a great and the outstanding work that you are doing. Let's give ourselves a huge round of applause. I know these things doesn't happen by luck. It happens because there are many people who does a lot of hard work, and hard work demands a lot of sacrifices. I am fully aware that while you work so hard, there have been many moments that we should have given those to our family members, but we chose to spend and allocate those times to do our job, to perform. So it makes sense that today we congratulate and we say a big thank you to all the family members. And we should do this with a standing ovation. Let's give a huge round of applause.